Porcelain or quartz countertops? Complete comparison for modern homes. Dear friends, choosing the right countertop is an important decision when designing or renovating your house. Two of the most popular options today are porcelain and quartz countertops. Both offer durability, style, and long-term value, but they suit different needs and preferences. Porcelain countertops are made from refined clay and minerals, fired at extremely high temperatures. This process makes them highly resistant to heat, scratches, and UV rays. Porcelain is an excellent choice for kitchens with heavy cooking, as hot pots and pans usually do not cause damage. It is also suitable for outdoor kitchens because its color does not fade in sunlight. Quartz countertops, on the other hand, are engineered stone surfaces made from natural quartz mixed with resins and pigments. They are non-porous, which means they resist stains, bacteria, and moisture very well. This makes quartz a low-maintenance option for busy households, especially where spills are common. In terms of design, porcelain countertops offer a wide variety of finishes, including marble and concrete looks with very thin profiles. Quartz provides consistent patterns and rich colors, making it ideal for modern and contemporary kitchens. When it comes to installation, quartz is generally easier to handle, while porcelain slabs require skilled installation due to their thin and delicate nature. Cost-wise, both options are premium, though prices can vary based on brand and finish. In conclusion, choose porcelain if you want heat resistance and outdoor suitability, and choose quartz if you prefer low maintenance and uniform design. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.